Yes, I will give my justification why I am using Signal instead of Telegram in this video. It's not only because Elon Musk and Snowden tweeted about Signal. As a tech savvy, I love to try different applications, and even a long time back I tried Signal application. But at that point of time I was pretty happy with WhatsApp, so I thought not to switch to Signal. When I heard and read the new privacy policy from WhatsApp, I was disappointed and I don't want to share my personal data with Facebook. I know at that point of time itself, this is the best time to switch to an alternative. I was a little confused about two applications. A few friends suggested Telegram to me and others suggested Signal. I thought of doing a research before selecting my instant application. In this video, I will explain why I ended up selecting Signal instead of Telegram. If you like this video, don't forget to change the color of the like button by clicking it. Share this video with your friends, and 72% of our viewers are not yet subscribed to our channel. If you are the one of them, please do consider subscribing to the channel and you will get useful videos like this a lot. Click on the bell button to get notified on every new video uploaded in the channel. By the way, my name is Karthi. You are watching Tech47. Without wasting your valuable time, let's get into the video. If you are not aware about the new privacy policy from WhatsApp, I have explained the same in my last video. I will add the card to that video here or here. You can watch that after completely watching this video. As I said earlier, I was pretty happy with WhatsApp till the time they came up with a new privacy policy. So I am very much stubborn on selecting an instant messaging application which should be secure and should not use my data for their business. First point is that it should be an open source application. That means anyone in the world can check the source code of the app and see where the data is transferring and how it works. Glad to see both Signal and Telegram are open source and their source code is available in GitHub. So giving 1 point for both Telegram and Signal. Second thing is that instant messaging app should use end-to-end encryption for their chats and video calls. Signal is using state-of-the-art end-to-end encryption that is powered by open source Signal protocol. Keeps our conversations secure. That means they can't read our messages or listen to our calls, and no one else can either. This is not an optional mode in Signal app. Every messages, every call, every group chats are end-to-end encrypted. WhatsApp also uses the same Signal protocol for their end-to-end encryption. But in the case of Telegram, this may surprise you. It uses the least safe protocol of 3 for standard messaging. It uses client-server encryption, which means that messages sent are encrypted and decrypted at the server level before being sent over to the receiver. This means that Telegram theoretically has access to the content of the messages sent. But Telegram's secret chat feature does use the secure end-to-end encryption method. By default, it's not secure messaging application. So in this round, the Signal will get 1 point and Telegram will get 0 point. Next thing is that app should have a disappearing message function that allows send messages to vanish after an amount time has passed. This is making it particularly useful for sending across sensitive informations like password, which is available in both applications. So 1 point for both Signal and Telegram. There are some additional security features are also available in Signal, such as incognito mode for keyboard, which will not save what you are typing using keyboard. This will give an additional level of security. Next one is a one-time viewable image that disappears after the recipient views it once. These two features are not available in Telegram. Again, 2 points to Signal and 0 for Telegram. Next function I am looking for is a fingerprint lock for messaging applications. Both Telegram and Signal got this feature and works perfectly without any issues. So 1 point for both Signal and Telegram. Next feature I am looking for is status, that allows user to post updates similar to Instagram story function with images and videos. Unfortunately, this is not available in both Telegram and Signal. So no point for both Signal and Telegram. Next feature is creating username instead of sharing mobile numbers with others. Yes, this is not available in WhatsApp also, but I was always looking for a feature like this in my instant messaging application. Good thing is that Telegram have this feature. We can choose a public username in the settings section. If we do, anyone will be able to find us by username and contact us without having to know our phone number. There is no such feature available in Signal, so 1 point for Telegram and 0 point for Signal. Before discussing about the conclusion, you must be wondering why Karthi is not discussing about amazing features of Telegram like group chat bot, polls, quiz, and 2 lakh people can be added in a group. And a super feature is that up to 2 GB of file can be sent to anyone using Telegram. But these features are not available in Signal. See, we are not breaking up with WhatsApp because of lack of these features. Instead, we are looking for a secure alternative for WhatsApp. That's why, as I said earlier, I am very much stubborn in searching for an instant messaging application which provides a high level of security, not feature rich. Yes, now coming to the conclusion. Signal provides end-to-end encryption for all type of conversation happening. Disappearing messages, incognito keyboard, one-time viewable image, and much more. The look and feel of the Signal app is also very minimal and straightforward. Signal gives the highest security and you won't find bots and dedicated broadcast channels like on Telegram. Go ahead with Signal if you want the absolute best security and privacy from any messaging app out there. As I said, now we are looking for an alternative only because of privacy related issues in WhatsApp, not because of less features in WhatsApp. So as a solution, I think Signal is the best alternative for WhatsApp. I will add link to these applications in the description below. If you want, you can easily download from there without any hassle. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends who uses WhatsApp a lot. We'll meet you all soon in next video. Till the time, bye from Karthi. Be safe and enjoy your day.